why we are living in the age of anxiety right now, and what is the antidote for that? For me, when I was young, I have this panic. So I try so many things. Try to get rid of my panic for my version, It doesn't help. So then I asked my father to teach me meditation. And my father told me that don't try to block, don't try to get rid of panic, don't try to surrender panic. Just let panic be. And you just connect with awareness. So first I connect with awareness through breath. So knowing I'm breathing in, breathing out, and slowly I connect awareness in my body. So from head to feet, there's a sensation. So sensation, nature of sensation is knowingness, which is awareness. And within that awareness, bad sensation, okay, good sensation is okay. So when I have panic, I have sensation. When I look at the sensation, then panic become not dry, solid anymore. It's like lock on the ocean. So ocean is the awareness, the lock is like panic. So then slowly, my father told me is the main important, there are two causes of the panic. One is aversion. I have panic of panic. I don't like my panic. Second is craving for something free from this panic. So normally what I call these two are like accelerator and a brake. If you want to drive a car, accelerator and brake. Without these two, you cannot drive. So underlying of all this anxiety is these two things. So my father said, don't try to block the panic. Just welcome and let it be and connect with awareness. So I did this. It really helps. But still I have this habit to try to get rid of my panic. So what I did is, hello panic, welcome. If I say welcome, then you will not come back again, right? So I have this same habit. Then when I was 13, I joined into the retreat, long-term retreat. I thought if I join retreat, then my laziness will not come. Because normally I'm lazy when I was young. I like idea of meditation, but I don't like the practice of meditation. So I went to retreat. My lazy follow me in the retreat. Surprisingly. Not only that, now my lazy and my panic, these two become good friends. So my panic getting worse. So then I thought, okay, from now on, I will not try to get rid of my panic. I will learn how to live with my panic. Entire my life, if panic there, okay. But I'm going to use as my support for my awareness, for my teacher. So I really welcome my panic. And I use panic as support for my awareness. Meaning when the panic comes, I'm aware of sensation of the panic. Then I can see awareness. Essence of panic is knowing actually. The knowing is the awareness. And I did that. After a few days later, I have this symptom. The heart is shaking and tightness here, dizzy. But I feel quite happy. So when the panic comes, feeling exciting. Great. I'm watching. So then panic become my friend, my teacher. After a few weeks later, then there's something bad thing happen, which is my panic is gone. So panic become me and my panic become very good friend, and panic doesn't have good heart.